Hi guys, today I'm at North Tahoe on the Nevada side, and I'm obviously in nature right now, and I hear these crows that are interrupting right now. So yeah, and when you come to like a forest or something, the best thing you should do is look up. When you look up, it's a beautiful view. The trees and the sky. The trees are reaching to the sky, wishing they could grow taller to actually touch the sky. It's so calming and relaxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this short. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.